chainsaw. Oh, look at that tiny little, look at that cute little thing.
Look at the tiny
I have never seen anything like that before.
Chainsaw.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
I can't be any happier. This thing is, it's fast. Let's go see if anyone's cleared this tree.
One person who's
Oh, we're gonna try to go home that way?
Oh, we're gonna go see what happens.
Is it very far from here?
Halfway down the mountain.
Okay. Hopefully there's a good spot to turn around.
This thing pretty much makes a good spot. As long as we don't run into any snow, we'll be fine. But judging by the extreme lack thereof right here,
I think it all melted.
I think it did too. I also think someone's been through here. They may or may not have cut it.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh!
Did you bring a chainsaw?
I have a little one. I don't think it'll go through this one.
Gotcha.
I think this tree's too big, but
A little bigger than we can handle, huh?
a lot bigger than my little chainsaw can handle, that's for sure. If I had a strap and a good spot to hook on, I might be able to yank it some, but I don't know what that's really going to do for us. So we'll see. Worst case scenario, we'll turn around, go back up this hill, and go back down the way we were going to go.
Okay.
Oh, well, that was...
Washing your windshield.
Unfortunately, I don't have a Whidbey yet. I gotta wait till tomorrow to fucking order that. That goes somewhere that I haven't been.
Well, that did mess up your view, didn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, it, does not...
You gotta do that a whole lot more, or wipe it off.
Yep.
The two.
Yep, those are...
Yeah.
Unfortunately, with finding water in it run like this, it's just gonna get... So we putt.
Yeah, it really makes it hard to see.
Yeah.
I wonder what the view is in the front camera, if it's all
I haven't
wet,
watched, but normally it washes out pretty quickly, and then it's hit or miss.
Oh, here we go again. Don't get us wet. Oh, Lordy. Oh, you got that front camera really wet.
Oh, that one's in a water case.
Good, because
Yeah, it's made for this.
Good, because it's really wet. Maybe it got washed off.
We'll see.
We can have it.
Are you alright? Is your lack of visibility messing you up?
Oh, well, you know, a little bit, but that's okay.
I mean, well, think about it this way. If you can't see, I can't see either, so...
I know, I realize that.
We're in this together.
Side view's okay. I can see out the side pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got it that way.
We're also barely putting along here. If I thought there was any chance that we weren't...
Spray of water.
Oh, did you hit with the...
Yeah, it was
yeah. I catch
I'm seeing bits of snow. See
I
it?
am catching it too, yeah. Told you we'd find snow. Did you see snow?
Do you see that? That's a tiny little bit.
Yeah.
There's a little bit over here.
A little bit over there.
Little bits.
A little bit there. I think this is the way we go.
I hope so. You know what the fuck you're doing.
Tree. Tree.
Okay.
That wasn't the tree that was the problem.
No, I didn't think it was.
And it being on the ground with nothing over the top of it makes me not feel good about someone coming down here and fixing this tree problem for me. It's not too much further down the hill from here.
Does it look like there's been traffic?
It does not look like anyone's been through here. To me, what if it was snowy when they came through and all that melted, it would have washed away all the tracks.
Yeah.
So, but no, I'm not seeing anything that would make me
Somebody with a big
go,
chainsaw.
somebody came through and fixed this. But we'll see.
Oh, here's something.
Okay, now this is right up our alley of what we are prepared for.
Okay.
My glasses every time.
You don't get a chainsaw?
Alright.
You get a chainsaw.
You can turn it on?
No, you don't get a chainsaw.
We're running.
I'm on it. Yeah.
Oh, chainsaw. Oh, look at that tiny little, look at that cute little thing.
Look at the tiny
I have never seen anything like that
Yeah,
before.
we got a chainsaw.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Oh, I'm on it. You're not gonna...
That is the cutest chainsaw I've ever seen.
Can I open my door?
No fuss, no muss.
Look at it there! Wind speed up!
Yeah, I know where it is. I know where it is.
This is how I thought of
He's even gonna buck the limbs off. What a guy. What a guy. Yay!
That's why we have this.
That's very nice.
I got so wet.
She's getting wet. Good.
That's what happens when you stick your hand out of the door.
Yeah, that will happen when you do that.
You did it on purpose. You walked by on it.
100% what'll happen.
Yeah.
Stick your hand out in the water.
Little kid.
Alright, so that is
Chainsaw number 1.
that's one.
Very nice.
Not the one that was stopping us before. Here's a Widowmaker.
Ooh, look at that.
Now we just gotta hope we don't get stuck between that and the next one.
Oh my gosh, that's so giant.
I don't know, man. That little chainsaw, I can't remember how big it is, because it may be able to like saw around it and make it weak enough that it would break, but I don't know.
Hold on, guess what?
Oh my god, that turn right there just splashes all over. Snow. Snow, snow, snow.
There it is.
All of the snow.
Oh, yeah.
You alright?
that's fine. Little facial.
Yeah, little split mister, little spritzer.
That's all I want.
Yeah.
But still, keep my glowing facial.
Yeah. And then the drone scrub.
All natural.
All natural. So I want to say right up here somewhere.
As in this little baby?
Yep, this is the one. We couldn't
Get past the
couldn't get past it, man.
Pruning saw.
Yeah.
Well, that's what they, oh no, actually,
I'm sure that's what they call
call
it.
it a hatchet.
A what?
Hatchet.
Seriously.
I mean,
A
it's
lot
kind of,
more than a hatchet.
Okay, hatchet.
You know what a hatchet is, man? It's like a mini axe. Yes.
My dad had one too. He cut down trees with it and actually made forts out of the trees he cut down.
Look at you.
how long that lasts for?
Like, my dad can just play
All
his
this
song
hair.
over us, you know?
Are you getting tired of it
He
yet?
has no ability to edit that.
Not like right this second. Like now, it's fine,
He
but
can play this song right
when
now.
you get tired of it, you'll do
He could
something.
be playing the song. This song.
And that'll be the day.
hot, hot, hot. I wasn't expecting all this work.
Sorry, making you hike, climb rocks.
Yeah, I'm way too fat for this shit.
Well, I'm sorry. This is the path you have chosen.
I have a feeling this tree is gonna be up here. It's not too far down from here, I think. This is another piece of property that was for sale, same realtor,
Yeah.
same company bought both pieces. When I was able to see that on my lap. So they bought that one with the sign and the one here with the sign.
And they update the owner's name on the app, don't
I
they?
guess. Well, the person who owns both of those has their name on those, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
So either they were the people that were selling it, they haven't updated it, because they're not on the listings anymore, they're gone. But I don't think anyone comes out to pull those signs out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. This tree,
Yeah, pretty good.
it's right up here, I think.
We're coming down pretty good here.
Oh,
look.
yep,
Look,
somebody got it.
Yay!
Yeah. Somebody handled it. Well, yeah. We've all done our part. Our part's just a little smaller. Because it's not the size of the blade, it's how you use it.
Yeah, that's right. I had to give you a rip shot.
more spots everywhere throughout the summer, and then when winter hits next year, we have spots to go. Pre-po. Oh, it's wet out here. My beard.
There's a clearing right there.
Yep.
Something.
Nope, that's somebody's piece of property. Well, so right back there was the way that you go to get back down on the lower jump off Joe. There's a road that connects that.
You got some water.
Oh yeah, it's one of Dave's place.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, so one of Dave's is right there.
Okay, got it.
Which may or may
There's a pond up
Yes.
there that's probably overflowing.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it is right now. So yeah, that's one of Dave's old place. I think so we came through when there was good snow up here. Somebody's driving in and out of here, and someone's driving out of the one right next to it up there. The split right there. People are actively coming in and out.
It's a hell of a commute.
Yeah, well, it makes me wonder who's who and where.
My house might still
Oh, that didn't sound good.
No.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
This is right where I went flat the last time.
Well, now I think it's up underneath you.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, who knows?
That's what I thought.
I don't really worry about those noises until they become the other noise.
Can you find the football field anymore? I mean, the sawdust pile that's as big as a football field.
We would need a bigger chainsaw to get to it, but there's a road that brings... Don't stick your hand out the window over. I got mud slung all over my ear. There's a road that goes right down along the other side of the creek there we go to, but it's got trees that have fallen so no one goes to it, because it only just goes up to here and to the sawdust pile. So, like a day with some other people with young backs, I'd be like, come on, I know a place.
Yeah.
Because the pile's right there. Well, no, it's not it. It's a little further up. This was some of the pile
I'm sure
in
you
the flat.
remember what it looked like 30 years ago.
It doesn't look that much different, actually.
Really?
Yeah, once you can see it.
There it is.
Yep, there it is. It's not much smaller than it was 30 years ago.
Just harder to see.
Yeah, everything's grown up around it. Which I don't quite understand. If that sawdust pile is as old as they say it is, why were all these trees taking... These trees were all very tiny, if not here at all. You know what I mean? This whole forest has grown up. This was nothing. And it's done it in 30 years. So why was it not here before we were? Who cut all this shit down?
I don't think it was cut down, honey. I think it was just all that toxic shit in that sawdust pile had to erode for a while before the trees could even get a start.
I'm talking about these streets where we're going back into a forest now, but that spot right there was not a forest.
Yeah.
Like, so somebody had to have cut it. Because these trees are 30 years, that's what they do. So
That's true.
that means somebody cut something at some point in the 80s, I would assume.
Yeah, next to it, so that we can see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is what I'm thinking. It's the only thing that makes sense.
That is a log, so that we can see.
Well, even like, see this forest of little trees that are along the creek? None of those were really big or were there when we were 30 years ago. Those trees have all really grown up and really obscured the creek right here. Why were they not there already? Is that just because they had made it so big for so long and it just took forever for dirt and soil and everything to come back down?
Because it was a highly used area.
Yeah, no. You have traffic and the creek being redone and fucking who knows where the creek actually ran here at one point.
There's a culvert just sitting there.
Yeah, they did some work here. This place, I am pretty sure they're just here in the summer and then no one's here right now.
Yeah.
Because they drove a Prius into this place in the summer.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's just like you're fucking wild, bud.
Yeah, that is wild. Get up that street.
Bro.
No, Prius.
Well, yeah, depending on which way you go. There is a, so did I tell you Burquest sold the other 160 acres up there?
Yeah.
Fucking sold both for $300,000 each. Raped that place, made God knows what, and still walked away with $600,000. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I guess, it's the way to go.
It can be.
There's a big...
They did a bunch of work right here to try and fix this, which did not do a whole lot. See, I think now we've done so many rides, it has to be saying, something cool has to be happening in order for any of it to make it into the freaking video anymore.
Yeah.
Well, especially now you gotta see some of the new videos because I'm doing multiple cameras. We go on a ride and it's going between the cameras as we're riding.
Really?
Yeah. Unfortunately, the audio's been shit on all of them, so you see us talking, but you have no idea what the hell's going on. Enjoy the pretty views. Well, that one doesn't really get any good audio.
No.
And then the rear-facing camera was just too far away to do anything. This bus always is it's just crazy to me. What was the road like when that bus came up this road?
Gotta be after they fixed Queensbridge.
Well, was that there when we were kids?
No.
No?
No.
There's no way that came down Queens Branch. Or the Beaver Slide.
Beaver Slide, that's what.
The turns are too tight for that thing. You're not driving that through there.
You really think it came up Joe Creek?
The turns, I think, are too... Well, we'll see. We'll go up to the top of Beaver right now. I think we just go up to the top of the...
Go ahead.
To this one.
You gotta do it.
Oh, I have to.
Yes, you do. It's a thing.
I'm just
It's a thing.
providing our service.
I know. You're doing a wonderful job. All the crap in the corners over here.
Culverts and stuff. I think that's all Tim's stuff. 'Cause Tim owns that. Tim owns all of this. A lot.
Hey, you think the crazy guy that got killed up here? I think he used to own that spot.
Well,
That was his.
Tim owns it all now. He owns all the way up to Bonzo and all the way up to BLM on this way, and then all the way up to the almost to the top of Queens Branch. So like so far, yeah, you can bring that bus in through here, but it would be this would be tight, that thing. But there's a switch back up here that I'm like, there's no way. In my mind, I gotta see it. S turn right here, there's no effing way that bus, maybe, that's real tight bringing a bus through this turn.
And it's degraded over the years.
Yeah, no, I know the road would have been smoother. I'm not worried. The turning is what I was concerned about. Like this turn's fine, it's plenty wide enough. You can totally swing it. Maybe it's this turn right here I'm thinking of. There's a couple of turns where it's a tight. Well, you can do it. You can do this with it coming down. Coming out of it is dry. You can bring that bus out of here, I think. So far.
I wouldn't want to do it at all.
This the turn I'm thinking about? It's still pretty wide. They widened this. Totally could do this with that bus. You might have been right. I was thinking those corners were too, you know what I mean, for something that long. But so far, it looks like it would be tight and your butthole would be puckered the entire time.
Yeah.
But it's doable, I think. So far. It's wide as shit right here. This one would be fun. You'd be on that embankment a little bit. There's a pipe that goes under the road, black. Somebody thought they hit it. Mother Nature has exposed it. This one would be tight with that tree right there. Ooh.
Yuck.
This one is going to be... This is going to be your biggest butthole pucker one for the whole thing. You're going to be on that bank.
No, not me.
Oh,
Not me.
no,
Doing shit.
no, right here. This is the part that's going to make it.
Yep.
This is your make or break right here.
No, not here. I will be nowhere near it. Bring a motor home up this shit.
See, I thought that thing had been there longer. Because that piece of property used to be long and you couldn't see down in there. And then somebody's cleaned it up since.
Maybe.
But I don't know. It doesn't look in really good condition to be down there that long. Right, the tree.
And here we are.
Yeah.
At the branch. And that's the old Beaver Slide, right?
Nope, that's Bonzo's driveway. slide departs right after you get in, and boom.